Hi friends, today in this video we will know how to get temporary email for signing up on every site. So without wasting a single bit of time, let's start our video. Open your Chrome browser, click on three dots on topmost corner of your browser, click on extensions, visit Chrome Web Store. Search TempMail. Click on very first extension. Click add to Chrome. Add extension. Here extension is added successfully. How it works? Now let's check how it works. So for using it, click here, click on TempMail. Here it has provided this email and a temporary inbox for 15 minutes. Here you got your mails. You can verify OTP from that inbox. You can generate thousands of emails as per your need. Thank you guys. If this video is helpful for you, then please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel.